Hello everyone, I want to recommend these connectors to you. They are made by KUM, which is acquired by Aptiv, regional and new. For the male connectors, the part number is PK14112017 or 352973997. For the female connectors, the part number is PK14512017 or 352975571. They both have sharp pins. If you are interested in it, please contact us. We are especially strong on electronic components distribution. All the components from our company is 100% original and new. We have many parts with large quantity at stock. Welcome to contact us for a quotation.